Hi, I'm Renee Arces, Completions and Well Intervention Engineer for Shell Appalachia. As a leader in oil and gas, we are always striving to find ways to reduce risk for the people working in our business. The true win, however, comes when our path to Goal Zero leads us to innovation that minimizes risk and improves our competitiveness and efficiency. The Appalachia Completions team is proud to share a recent success in this space with the implementation of Riglock. Prior to implementing this technology, frac operations required the nightcap to be removed manually from the frac tree in order to stab the wireline lubricator onto the well. Standard procedure for this was for a worker to be lifted into the air using an aerial lift while coordinating with the crane operator to attach and detach equipment by hand to and from the well. Once wireline operation ceased, the worker would remove the lubricator, insert the frac plug ball into the wellhead, and then reattach the nightcap before beginning pumping operations. While this may sound relatively simple, it exposes our people to significant risk. The person is working at heights in an exclusion zone directly underneath a suspended load, with their hands on the equipment being lifted. So how do we make this safer? We can't completely remove the risk of a dropped object from this operation. But what if we could remove the person from the risk? We determined that there were three main problems to solve if we were to be successful in removing the person from the risk. 1. We needed a way to attach and detach the nightcap remotely. 2. We needed a way to attach and detach the wireline lubricator remotely. And 3. We needed a way to seat the ball in the plug without dropping it in by hand. One of our current performance partners in safety came to us with a solution. Renegade Wireline Services had purchased and implemented a device called Riglock, manufactured by FHE. Riglock is a hydraulically controlled device that can connect the lubricator to the well with the flip of a switch.
Setting in a Shell safety meeting a few years ago, we were encouraged to look outside of the box for ways to prevent incidents. I got to thinking about two of the worst incidents that Renegade has seen. Both involved personnel working in an aerial lift. I took some of the ideas I had to FHE and they started developing the Riglock system. Riglock is a device that allows you to remotely connect and disconnect the wireline lubricator. It uses hydraulically operated dogs that lock the lubricator in place and a lockdown ring that mechanically holds the dogs in place. The position of the lockdown ring can be seen from anywhere on location. It also uses a built-in funnel to make it very simple for a crane operator to make a connection. The unit has three main pieces: the physical Riglock that will sit on top of the frac tree, the wireline adapter attached to the bottom of the lubricator, and the control unit that can be placed on the side of location and uses various monitors to show wellhead pressure. The control unit has various safety features that keep us from unlocking the lubricator with pressure and serves as a barrier to prohibit inadvertently unlocking the Riglock. One of the things we determined was missing from the Riglock was an efficient way to extract and remove the nightcap. We worked with one of our vendors to modify the Riglock and create an extractor that could pull and insert the nightcap remotely. As we continue to employ this in the field, we are developing other modifications that further optimize the Riglock into an integral part of oil field operations.
With Renegade's help, we solved two of the three items required to remove the worker from the aerial lift in the wireline process. But we still needed a way to get the ball for the frac plug into the well. This is where Downhole Technologies' ball-in-place plug comes into play.
What we have here is Downhole Technologies' ball-in-place Boss Hog plug. With this tool, it allows you to make the tool up to the wireline string with the ball already inside of the plug. By doing so, it eliminates the need of having a person go up in the man basket and drop a ball into the well.
Through working with Renegade and Downhole technology, we have developed a much safer process for wireline operations. But the benefits don't stop at safety. Using the aerial lift method, stabbing onto the well would take an average of 25 minutes. With the Riglock, we can do it in 8. Also, while zipper fracking multi-well pads, wireline could not move on to the next well until pumping operations ceased because workers are not allowed into high-pressure areas. But by eliminating the need for people to work by the wellhead, wireline can jump from one well to another while pumping operations continue uninhibited, taking wireline completely out of the critical path. Frac doesn't wait on wireline, and wireline doesn't wait on frac. We averaged 15 minutes between fracs, excluding pump maintenance and well swaps. Placed over 6 million pounds of sand in 15 stages over a 24-hour operating period, the most ever by a frac company in a single day, and we placed 285 stages in 34 days, increasing our pumping efficiency by 20% in the Marcellus.
By utilizing Riglock and ball-in-place plugs at the Kennedy 137 well site, we were able to eliminate the need for people to work inside the pressurized zone during frac operations. We were able to realize tremendous operational efficiency, breaking records by pumping more sand into the ground than ever before in a 24-hour period. Once again, proving that safety is just good business.